Neha and welcome back to Daily Devotionals 2025. Today is day 36. And today we're going to talk about something that's really important for Christians to consider: living with eternity in mind. You see, as believers, we know that our time on this earth is limited. We're just passing through and our ultimate destination is eternity with God. But what does that mean for how we live our lives today? In 2 Corinthians 5:9, it says, "So we make it our goal to please Him, whether we are at home, in the body, or away from it." As Christians, our goal should be to please God, to live in a way that honors Him and reflects our eternal perspective. When we live with eternity in mind, it changes the way we approach life. We start to see things from a different perspective. We realize that the things that seem so important to us now, our possessions, our status, our achievements, are just temporary. In 1 Corinthians 7:29-31, it says, "What I mean, brothers and sisters, is that the time is short. From now on, those who have wives should live as if they do not, those who mourn as if they did not, those who are happy as if they did not, those who buy something as if it were not theirs to keep, those who use the things of the world as if not engrossed in them. For this world, in its present form, is passing away." This doesn't mean that we shouldn't enjoy the things of this world, but it does mean that we shouldn't get too attached to them. We should be using them to bring glory to God, not to get caught up in worldly pursuits. When we live with eternity in mind, we start to prioritize what's truly important. We focus on building our relationship with God, on serving others, and on sharing the gospel with those around us and living a godly life. In Matthew 6:19-20, it says, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy, and where thieves break in and steal, but store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal." So how can we live with eternity in mind? We can start by focusing on what truly matters: our relationship with God, our service to others, and our pursuit of eternal rewards. We can ask ourselves, is this decision going to bring glory to God? Is it going to impact eternity? Let's prioritize what's truly important and let's seek to honor God in all we do. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. May God bless you all. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.